Welcome back to another Make Tools in Schools video. So we're going to take what we learned from making rulers and T-squares. By the way, these are also used to hang the ruler or T-square. So first thing you're going to do is get some paint stir sticks or sticks. Could even be a shim, if you know what a shim is. And we're going to make 45-degree triangles. So first thing you want to do is lay out a rough idea of what your sticks, where they're going to go. So put a little Elmer's or equal on there. Just pretend, I'm going to just pretend that on there. Attach that with the binder clip. Okay, so first of all, or second or third, this needs to be square before you go to the next step. So you can take a book or a DVD case or there we go, or a 3x5 card. Oops. Or a piece of paper or the side of a table to square that off. To make this needs to be square first. So then you can get the angle, excuse me. I gotta go off screen here for a second. By folding your paper, is one way to do it. Lay it on there. Determine how big you want this part of the ruler, this part of the triangle to be. So if you want it way out there with a large stick, if you want a big triangle, run your paper along the edge and then mark it way out here. If you want a small triangle, run your paper along here like that, line that up, mark, and mark. Hard to do with the camera in front of me. And that's going to be where you lay your paint stick and glue it on there. This distance and this distance should be the same. And without the camera in front of me, I could verify that. Once again, if you wanted a smaller triangle, run this along the edge, not quite as far. Line that up, make the mark, glue, and then put that on there like that with larger binder clamps, possibly, or the same size. So a little tough to do with the camera in front of me. This is a different style. This particular one we made kind of sandwiched the 45 part in between sticks. So you could take it out and use it for just a right angle square, which we've yet to make. We've made a T-square, but not a right angle square. Okay, like that. You could set the angled part of the triangle flat with the other surfaces but then you have a very weak joint. So then we applied some other strengthening sticks to there to keep it all nice and straight and square. Then this one here, I did forget to mention the ruler tape. Once you get it made, if you want some ruler marks on there, you can apply tape. Some of these items can be linked or might be linked below. I think we'll go on to squares next.